Hello everyone, let's draw some different kinds of automations that our vehicles are drawn in our video. So here I'm drawing a three-wheel vehicle. So first I'm drawing the body of the vehicle and the top layer of the vehicle and then the inner of the vehicle. Okay, so here they are drawing a ladder and the wheels has been drawn. So let me put some shades with the red and the blue color. Let me draw the clouds. So let's move on. Again here I'm drawing a tire and then I'm drawing the four-wheel vehicle. So four-wheel vehicle is being drawn and then I'm drawing the body of the vehicle slowly and the front part, and then I'm drawing here also. This machine is used for removing the mud from the ground. So this is the machine used to remove the mud. Let me put some shades. Let's move on. So I'm drawing two circles and then shading with green and pink and then shading with black color. So again I'm drawing a car. So here two-wheel car and then shading with yellow color and with a blue color window. So here's a beautiful car. So let's move on. So again I'm drawing the two wheels and then drawing the body of the vehicle. So the front part is being drawn and the back end of the parts is being drawn, and then again we are using a back ladder type machine and then it puts some shades to it. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing a tire and the front part of the body. This machine is used to remove the mud or break the houses and construct a new houses. So here's the different kinds of vehicles are being drawn to know the aware of the vehicles of different parts. So I'm drawing a tire and the back end of the parts to remove the mud. Let me put some shades with green, blue and the yellow color. So let's move on. I'm drawing a circle and then I'm drawing a wheels and then drawing the tire and then I'm drawing a front and the back part of the vehicle. So it's like a seat type where they can sit inside. The person can sit inside and operate the vehicle machine to remove the mud. So here again a vehicle machine that has been drawn to remove the mud. So here's a vehicle with shaded with blue green. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing wheels and the tires and then again I'm drawing a front part. So again an inner person will be sitting to operate the machines. So draw the machine to remove or lift the ground parts, and here's the leaves has been drawn.